everybody, today I am back with another video where today I am going to be giving you a beginner's tutorial, so starting with the various basic of the things. So in Python it's a coding language. Yeah, I'll leave the download link of Python in the description, so you should really check it out. So to make a new thing, you can just type it here, or to make it, this is a direct, so a shell. Or you make a new, you go into file, make new, and then here you go. So Python, for today, we're going to be using this one today. Normally you don't use this, but for the beginner's tutorial, I'm going to be using this. So Python is very good. So you can do calculations like 2 plus 3, 5, blah blah blah, times blah blah blah. That. You can do subtraction. Oops. Negative as well. We can do that divided by that. So yeah, very nice. And then that's not very nice. It's fascinating. It's quite boring. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the print. So print, it's a function. So as you can see, it's purple. Well, Python is very nice. It shows you a color. Yeah. So if if it's a module in built, if it's black, if it's green, it's a string, so writing. If it's purple, it's a function, so it's a thing that does stuff. If it's orange, it's a command. If it's blue, it's a function that you made. If it's dark red, it's a comment. And if it's light red, it's an error message. So you can also print like subscribe to Electro Boy. Woo! And you use these things. So the print, and it's going to print this, but make sure you put in brackets or parentheses, or else it doesn't work. And if you want to write writing, you put it in this. So you can also do x equals 7, 21. And then you can do print x. But notice I haven't used a thing, so it prints 21. You can also do on key. On key, let's see. What on key does is when you press a key, it does something for you. So the way you use it is, so you write on key one word, and then on key, and then you write let me think. On key, blah 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 blah. Yeah. So guys, you can use this. So you can do on key R. It will print. So you can put print inside, and then it will say X. Very confusing. And then you put that there, and then run the script. Wait, what am I doing? Run it, and it doesn't do it because I failed. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I failed you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna copy that, and then I'll write it again. Why is that there? I don't want that. And then you put a comma, and then you run the code. It does not work. Okay, so do not use the on key. So there's much more you can do, like it can do many things. So let's say you want it to print something like print two. Wait, so print 2 plus 2. If you do that, it's going to print 4, right? No, it prints 2 plus 2. It takes it very literally because I put the these in. I forgot the name now. So it's going to literally print that. But if you write print and then don't put those in, 2 plus 2, it prints 4. Very nice. And then you can also use strings, so you can print multiple things. Let's say A plus, no, why did I write plus? A equals that, B equals that, C equals blah blah blah. And then you can also do print. I'm wondering how you can do all those together. A plus B plus C. And then end off, enter. It writes that. You might be thinking it's supposed to print 312 and then print 687 and then that. But no, it adds them all together. But if you do print Misadi, and then you can also print A. So you can leave a little space. You can write, oops, equals A. And then you can add another one. And then when you do it, it doesn't work. Because this is an integer, which doesn't print with a string. But you set A to, why is that there? But if you set A equals black, it doesn't work. So there are many things you can do, but you can make games, Tetris, loads of things. So which is why you should do it. So be sure to check out my channel. We do gaming as well. Got some Scratch. So yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.